Hi, in front of me is RUGGEAR RG655 and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. Start by opening Play Store. Now you need to type recorder or voice recorder and download one of these apps. I like that one, so I will click on it and install it. Now open it. Click Allow and tap on the red button to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on the smaller one and unpause it the same way. If you wish to end your recording, tap on the red button and name it. Then choose OK, and tap on this icon at the bottom left corner with headphones to see a list of all your recordings. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!